In order to get iPhone ringtone on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So in here we're going to use the search option at the bottom, then we can use the search field at the top, and we can just type iPhone ringtone. There we go. You should be able to find many apps that of course you can try to use without any issues whatsoever, or at least for the most part. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, and based on this app, I'm gonna show you how to set up the ringtone. But of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to do so in case you are not really happy with this app over here. Alright, so once we get the app, we want to, of course, open it. There we go. You might see some ads in the meantime, but the app is free. At least from what I can tell, of course. I mean, setting up the ringtone is completely free. So once you can skip the ad, you can of course tap on this X. You want to grant all the necessary permissions to let the app change the ringtone for you. In here we can press play in order to have a preview of the ringtone. So you can try to find whichever ringtone you want to use. And then once you find the ringtone that you want to use, you can tap on 3 dots here on the right side. Then we're gonna use the ringtone option in here. Of course, there is another ad, so let's wait for it to be closed. There we go, to close it. And then we have this message that we have set the ringtone successfully. So we're gonna press OK. And now we just have to, of course, double check. It is also worth double checking to make sure that the ringtone has been indeed set up. To do so, we can just open settings and go to sound and vibration, and usually you can change the ringtone volume slightly in order to check if it has been changed. Now in my case it doesn't play for some reason, so we're gonna go to the phone ringtone. Over here we have default ringtone, then we can go to my sounds, and here I do indeed have the custom sound, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.